Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to use Google Drive to store and share files. So create an account on Google Drive, then open your Google Drive application. Then in here, just click on the plus sign to upload a file or store it to Google Drive. If you want to share a file on Google Drive, just click the three dots at the document, then click share, and then add a email account to share it to someone that you want to see your documents. Then click the send icon, and that's it. That's how to use Google Drive to store and share files. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.